How to download any video from any website on your Chrome on your PC. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again, and let's start this video without any further delay. To find a video, what I have to do is simply click on our Google Chrome and search for the video I want to download. What we simply have to do is simply select or search any type of video we want. Like I will search for 4K video, and then you have to simply select the first or second website that is called like Pixel's website, or you can go to the YouTube also. After going on the YouTube page, you will see the video will appear here, and after the setting, what you have to do is simply click on the setting or right click on this. Here you can see you can copy this video's URL simply. Now, after copying the URL, you can select any of the YouTube video downloader and then simply download the YouTube video to your laptop without any issue. The second thing you can do is simply select it, and then here you can save link. After that, go to the YouTube video downloader and simply download this video from that third party website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.